This is a vignette my granddad wrote about one of his favorite natural places, Hamilton Pool in Central Texas. I've paired it with an 8mm film he took of Hamilton Pool during the summer of 1958. Towards the end, he actually films a flock of cliff swallows flying above the water. Granddad inspired in me a passion for nature, adventure, and artistic expression. He was an artist himself, and a better one than I'll ever be. So, without further ado, here's the cliff swallows of Hamilton Pool. There is also a swallow that flies and sings after finding his paradise. He lives with the fossils, cedar, oak, yucca, pecan, cats, birds, skunk, and deer, where the spring gently flows until the clouds come, with the crashing sound of lightning, darkening the skies that open and pour down on the hills, creating violent streams of water, working their wonder. This is the place where the swallow lives. He builds his nest of masonry under the overhang of the cliff where the waterfall cascades from the high ledge. Below, an emerald pool with ringlets made from the dripping springs, and creates a flow down the canyon where the century-old cypress grow with their knees up out of the water, where the turn of the world brings the many colors to its own. The trees, skunks, deer, you, and me. The swallow lives here. In the spring you can find him at this paradise singing, flying, putting music, movement, and life into this great place, building his home of brick with the gaiety of a confident lover. Soon the wind changes and the swallow leaves. One wonders of his whereabouts. Long ago there lived a people that depended on the balance of this paradise, living from the hunt, the trees, bushes, and rivers. They ate the deer, berries, and fruit from the trees, caught the fish, and drank from the springs. They are gone from this place. Only their work in stone can be found. Their spirit can only be sought. If you wonder, then look for the cliff swallows of Hamilton Pool.